How to reduce lust, master the 23-minute rule, and reset your habits. Works fast. Late night urges, endless scrolling, that toxic cycle you swear you'll quit, but never do. What if I told you there's a science-backed way to reduce lust, rewire your brain in 23 minutes, and reset your habits for good? Let's fix this. Now. Lust isn't just a bad habit, it's a dopamine trap. Your brain craves shortcuts to pleasure, and every click, scroll, or fantasy fuels the fire. But here's the deal. You can't pray away lust. You need a system. Step 1. Nuke your triggers. Your phone is ground zero. Delete apps, block sites. Charge it outside your bedroom. If Instagram explores your kryptonite, unfollow everything. Your environment shapes your habits, so design a safe space. Step 2. The 23-minute rule. When lust hits, don't fight it. Delay it. Set a 23-minute timer. Why 23? Cravings peak at 20 minutes. Use those minutes to walk, call a friend, or do push-ups. Distract your body and your mind resets. Step 3. Habit tracker hacks. Track every win. Day 1. Avoided a trigger. Day 3. Use the 23-minute rule. Day 7. Brain fog lifts. Visual progress equals motivation. Apps like Forest or Habit Bull. Gamify this. Replace lust with legit pride. The spiritual surrender. Willpower alone won't save you. Surrender to something bigger. Pray. Meditate. Repeat this. I'm stronger than this urge. Fill your soul with purpose and lust loses its grip. You will fail, and that's okay. I've relapsed. You will too. But failure isn't final. It's feedback. Every slip-up teaches you, oh, TikTok is a trigger, or loneliness kicks in at 10 p.m. Fix the leak. Reset. Progress greater than perfection. Lust doesn't own you. Smash that like button if you're ready to fight back. Subscribe for next week's video on killing anxiety. Share this with someone trapped in the cycle. You got 23 minutes. Start now. Your future self will thank you.